experiment with it now so that you can get that feel and taste for yourself.
Obuyaba ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'ekitongore ky'Egaita abagambirizi b'ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ekya Public Relations Association of Uganda, Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yahiga abantu aba okusiiga ekishushani kirungi ky'Eihanga.
To request you and to urge Uganda that we should use the platforms we have to build a good image of our country, because if I don't know you so much, if I don't know much about you, then I will start judging you from the image of your country.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe Tayebwa yabasiima ahaba omurimo omurungi ogu barikukorera ebitongore byabo hamwe n'Eihanga.
I want to take this opportunity to first of all appreciate your role in society. You are shaping society in very many ways, but mostly positively, because the growth of our country, the growth of our businesses, the confidence anyone would have in our country and in our business community and general environment.
Tayebwa yayongera yayetombeitera abebembezi b'ebitongore obu yagira ngu tibakukira kutamu abantu ab'ekitiinisa atyo nikwo kubahiga kukwatanisiza hamwe omu barikukora.
And I want to appreciate the Minister of ICT that has closely worked with you. I understand the Minister is your patron, and you closely work together. I have also come to understand that you would want your association to be a professional body.
Atyo nikwo kwehanangiriza abanya-Uganda kukorera izina ry'Eihanga omu mwanya gw'okwefaho nk'abantu.
Something of 1,000, and you think, well, it might be good, it might be unique, but how many Rolexes will you sell to improve on the GDP of your country? And how many of the quality visitors will you attract in the country to eat Rolex?
Atyo kandi nikwo kuhiga abanya-Uganda okukunda Eihanga ryabo.
Just put it the way I feel. So I just want to be as honest as possible that we still have a lot to do. I know as a leadership we have a lot to do that has an impact on our image as a country. But you see, even where, like it is said, you can love your country without loving your government. If you don't agree with your government, at least agree with your country.
Yes, sir. Handshake with the
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirana wa Sky Television ag'Enshonga omuri Kampala.